that was a bit pants, I'll cut that bit out. Why can't I get that bit out? It's not difficult, is it? Oh, why can't I say the simple things? Why is it so hard to get the simple bits out? I definitely need more coffee. Luckily, it's on tap. Just do the whole thing again. Alright then folks, welcome back to another fishing adventures. Only I'm in the office. As you can see, we have finally moved in, we're settled in, we've got some office space. Heather's through there, I'm in here, out of the way, and I really want to share with you a product that has saved my bacon at least 3 or 4 times this winter when it's been absolutely freezing cold on a night, and that is this. It's the GOOLOO Jumpstarter, basically. I had one of these about 5 years ago, a different one that I got from Whole Foods, and really rated it, to be fair. And I got this one about 4 months ago. Due to really cold nights, the van was having right trouble starting, and I thought I'll just get one rather than replacing the battery, because that's like a massive expense for the van. I thought I would get one of these instead, and these at the moment are on Amazon for $69.99. I think I paid a little bit more for it than that, but this is something that I've really wanted to share with you all, because even though it's not a direct fishing related item, if you're fishing and it's getting below freezing on a night and your car battery dies, then it's either an expensive call out for a recovery or roadside assistance or anything like that. But if you've got one of these, it's job done. You can do it yourself, and I absolutely love this one. So I'm gonna get it out now and show you it, basically. So it comes in its own little pouch, as you can see, and this is the unit. I mean, it's, considering it jump starts vans, it is quite a compact bit of kit, and it is good for up to 6 litre diesel, 8 litre petrol as well, so it should do any kind of vehicle that you're in. And the fantastic thing about this is that it's got 2 USB ports there as well, so if your battery on your mobile's dying and you need to ring for assistance, you can whack it in there, know that you've got a charge, say, look, I'm running late, broken down, whatever, I'm on the way. Potential awesome lifesaver. And it's child's play to use as well. It is mega simple. You get the jump starter leads, which are these, which is basically that is your unit. You've got big LEDs there. They tell you if you've got a good connection to your battery and if there's a good chance it will start. 'Cause if it's below a certain percentage, it just won't, but it'll pre-warn you. And as I've said, you can plug your mobile phone in, ring for help if that is the scenario that you're dealing with. So basically, you plug them into that bit there, you lift up that little flap, it's waterproof flap, plug them in there and simply attach them to your battery and start your engine as normal, and this just gives you an extra boost on your battery, and it's as simple as that, really. So yeah, there we go. And that is, I think it is, don't know where I'm going to put that, but yeah, it's just a mega handy bit of kit to have in your car or your van and stuff like that. And if it can get you out of a jam, then I think it's worth a little investment to get it carried at all times. It's what I've wanted to do for a little while, but not had the opportunity, but now I have. So I wanted to share it with you, and hopefully you'll find it quite useful. Check them out. I'll put a link in the description anyway, you can go and check them out. If you did click the link and buy one, I would get a little bit of a kickback just for showing you it, which I think is awesome. So if you wanted to support the channel without spending any money directly to me, that's a good way of doing it. Just thought I'd mention it. Notification, so yeah, that'll tell me to put my phone on flight mode the next time I do a video. So what is coming up? I've got a few fishing videos planned. River season is ending this month, so I'm going to try and get on the rivers a couple of times. I've been asked to do a few more recce videos, looking around different venues and stuff like that. I've got a few of them planned already. I've had a chat with the guys up at Redwood Park. They're happy for me to go up there and do a video, just promoting their lakes and stuff like that. So that is one to do. As I say, some of the challenges that I've got coming up, I need to wait for the weather to warm up a little bit for them to be like enjoyable, basically, because I don't want to freeze my nads off for nothing, just for the sake of doing an upload. Do you know what I mean? It's like I want it to be watchable, I want it to be entertaining for you guys. I've also been asked to do some like gear reviews and stuff like that, so I've got some stuff organised for that. One of them is a MIDI margin pole. I've got some other bits and bobs as well that I did buy recently, but I've no idea where they are. They could be in the box somewhere. Well, they are in a box, but where it is, I don't know. But I will dig them out and I'll give a review for them as well. Any other suggestions, leave a comment below and keep them coming, because as I said, I'm pretty much open to doing anything at the moment. I've got quite a bit of other stuff to do as well, but that's definitely not suitable for this channel. That will be on another channel very soon. But yeah, for now, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Cheers. Bosh. Did that work? No? That bosh didn't really work, did it? Oh well, what we're going to do then to end the video, because that was a bit pants. Any ideas? No? Oh well, don't know. Just end it there. See you later. Cheers.